Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are safe. Today we are going to learn a new secret of pen tool. I was surprised when I got to know this option because I have been using Photoshop from past 5 years, but yesterday I got to know that. So I would like to share with you guys so that you don't need to wait for 5 years to get to know that. Just kidding. You guys might know this option, but okay, let's not get into that. Let's get started. In pen tool, while creating a selection or shape, we have to draw the path, right? While drawing the path, we might make mistakes. That time we have to hit the Ctrl Z or Command Z on Mac, and I have to come back and draw the path. If we made a mistake again, we have to go back and come back. Go back, come back, go back, come back. Seriously, even in 2020, should we have to do like this? No, right? That's why here this option comes very handy while creating the path. While creating path, if you made a mistake, don't release the mouse and just hold the space bar and have a look at it. Now you can adjust this path however you want. Cool, right? Yeah, and have a look at it. Again, if you made a mistake, nothing to worry, just hold the space bar and adjust the path. Now you no need to go back and come back. I'm sorry guys, this option is not working in older versions like CS6. Okay, fine. The thing is, even this works for shapes. Let me draw one shape. Okay. And even if you want to adjust initial path, just hold the space bar and you can adjust the first path itself. And draw the path, hold the space bar to make adjustments, release it. Draw path, hold the space bar, release. Draw the path, hold the space bar, release it. Even it works while you closing this path. Cool, right? That's it guys. That's it for today's tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe. And one more thing, I am planning to make a advanced futuristic effect tutorial once I reach to 10k subscribers. That's it. See you on next tutorial. Bye bye.